Can you hide followers in Instagram from friends without having your account private? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you want to keep your Instagram followers private without switching to the private account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple steps to hide your followers from your friends. This way, you can maintain your privacy while still enjoying a public profile. So let's dive right in. The answer to the questions I've said before is no. You cannot hide followers on Instagram from friends without having your account private. You need to have your account to private if you want to hide your followers with others. But here's what you can do as an alternative. You can go to your Instagram app and from here you can go to your account. Once you're here, you need to tap on your followers and simply you need to tap on their profile. Once you're in their profile, you need to tap on three dots at the top right corner of your screen and then you need to click on restrict option over here. Now, while you can't hide your followers completely, you can limit who can see them by adjusting your story settings and restricting certain users. This is the only way the people you want can see your followers list. And that's it, you have successfully hidden your followers from friends without making your account private. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and I'll see you in the next video.